In this video, we're going to talk about the Git Reset command. And I think this video is going to be really helpful to you, even if you know a bit of Git, because this command is really powerful and it allows you to sort of gain some more control over your workflow, because it allows you to undo stuff and redo stuff. So if you did something wrong and you want to change that, then Git Reset is the command you want to use. But just a warning, Git Reset is a dangerous command because you can also permanently delete stuff. And normally in Git you're pretty safe. Like if you change something or delete something, you can always go back. But if you use the Git Reset command in a specific way, it's permanently lost and there's no way to get your changes back. So be careful. We're gonna start out by seeing how we can undo stuff that we added to the staging area. So I deleted some code from the cool plugin.php file, and if we use git status, we can see that it's added to staging. And I just realized that I'm not really ready to commit this yet, so I'd like to get rid of it from staging. So actually I just want to clear the staging area. So I can do that with the git reset command, and it's pretty simple. I just type git reset and it's going to unstage those changes. So if you run git status, you can see that the change is not staged for commit, and there's a modified file cool plugin.php. So I just deleted some code and committed it, and now I kind of regret that because I would actually like to work a bit more on it. So how can I do this? How can I undo a commit? I could use git reset for that as well. I can say git reset, and I still want to be able to have the code, so I use the soft reset, and then we need to refer to a certain state or point in history, and I just want the last head, reference to head. And if we run git reset soft, and the soft part is very important because otherwise you're going to permanently delete the commit. So git reset soft head, and if you run git status, you can see that the changes are now staged. So we're back to staging, and if I want to completely unstage them, as I just showed earlier, you can just run git reset, and now they're unstaged. So even though we committed something, we can still undo that commit, and if we check the log, the commit is gone. So that's another way to use git reset. Okay, so now I actually decided that it's time to commit that deletion, and if we check the log, here's the commit. But now I'm realizing that actually I shouldn't have deleted this in the master branch because I need to do some more stuff. So actually I'd like to get it on a feature branch. So how could I do that? If we take a look at git log, you can see that we have the commit here. And if we take a look in git x, you can also see the commit here. And we can use a command we just used, the soft reset. We run that. We have the code here in our staging area. And in order to switch to a new branch, we need to get them unstaged, those changes. So we can use the first command we used, just git reset. And now we have some untracked changes. And we can create a new branch, git branch where we delete stuff. And we can check out that branch. And instead, we can now commit the change here. And if we check the log and spell it right, we can see here that there's a commit, delete some code. And if we switch to master and check the log there, the commit is gone. And if we jump over in git x, you can see here that here's the master, the last commit, and then there's a new branch with the code deletion commit. Finally, you can use git reset to permanently delete a commit. And this is where it starts to get a bit dangerous, because if you permanently delete a commit, even though you're using git and version control, all this, it's permanently deleted and there's no way of getting it back. So if we jump to the branch where we delete stuff and we check the log, we have the commit here, and let's say we want to delete that, and it's just the latest commit, so we can type git reset and this time we're going to do a hard reset of the link's head. Run that, and if we look at git log now, the commit has disappeared, and there's no way to get it back actually. It really is gone. And if you look in git x, it's gone as well. So that's the power and the danger of git reset, so use with caution. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.